Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat as a Russian translator. So, let us get started. Begin by opening your browser and heading over to bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so before we begin. Imagine easily translating Russian text into English using Bing Chat. It is as simple as saying, "Translate this in English," and hitting enter. Bing Chat swiftly provides an accurate English translation, revealing the essence hidden within the Russian words. But the language journey doesn't end there. If your curiosity drives you to seek the Russian translation of an English phrase, the process remains just as elegant. Just say, "Translate this to Russian," and provide the English text. Watch as Bing Chat adeptly furnishes the accurate Russian translation. While Bing Chat's capabilities are impressive, remember that accuracy may vary, especially in intricate contexts or when dealing with sensitive terms. In matters of significance, seeking a second opinion is a wise choice. Thanks for tuning in. Now you are equipped to explore new languages and bridge linguistic gaps using Bing Chat. Until next time.